Let's revise voice and narration. Okay, and there is some lecture going on, and in case the students come back, then we'll have the test. Okay, so let's start with narration. So if I talk about narration, Tanushka, if you have any doubt, you can also ask. Is it okay? So let's start with narration. While in narration, we have few points that you need to remember, that every tense changes according to the reporting verb. Okay, every tense changes according to reporting verb. Now, what is reporting verb? Suppose the sentence is Riya says, I am ill. In this, Riya is the speaker, or you can say subject. Says is the reporting verb. Got it? So says is the reporting verb, and these are the exact words of the speaker. Means the words written within the quotation marks are the words, exact words of the speaker. Got it? Subject, verb, exact words of the speaker. Now, the tense. Change in tense depends totally on this part, on the reporting verb. Is it okay? Whether we need to change the tense or not, it totally depends on this part. If it is in present tense, you are not supposed to change the tense. If it is in future tense, still you are not supposed to change the tense. But if this reporting verb is in past tense, then change the tense of the exact words. It means Riya says, I am ill. For indirect speech, Riya says that I am ill without any, she is ill. Change the pronoun. She is ill. That's all. But if it's in past tense, Riya said that. Now you need to change the tense, that she was ill. Is it okay? As you can see, first change, what we have done, removed quotation marks and comma. In place of that, I have used conjunction, the connector, that. Next is change in pronoun. I have changed the pronoun also. Is it okay? The pronoun is changed. Then, if my reporting verb is in past tense, then it means I have also changed the tense. Got it? So in narration, the rule is first from direct to indirect. While writing the sentence in indirect speech, you need to remove the quotation marks and the comma. This is the first rule. Second rule is check the reporting verb, tense of the reporting verb, present, past or future. If it is present or future, no need to change the tense here. If it is in past tense, then we have to change the tense. Third is change in pronoun. You have to change the pronoun also. Got it? Is it okay, Tanushka? Okay. Now, every tense in narration, every tense changes to past tense. Okay? Present tense, if I talk about present, it will change to past. Past tense, again, to past. And if I talk about future tense, it will also change to past tense. So this is common. Various forms of past tense. Is it okay? So present to past, past to past, future to past. Now present tense, simple present. One thing is very simple in narration. that we will not change the form. If it is in simple, then it will change to simple. Continuous to continuous, simple to simple, perfect to perfect. So first is simple present. Simple present means first form of the verb. In some cases, SES, IES means if the subject is plural, then we will use the first form of the verb, means the base form of the verb only. And if the subject is singular, then we add SES, IES. Now, it changes to simple past, means second form of the verb. So from first form, we'll jump to second form. That's all. Nothing else. Riya said to me, I work here. I work here. Now, subject, reporting verb. This is the object. This is called object. Subject, object, and this is verb. I work here. Now the change, whenever we need to change the pronoun, it depends on this part. Means whatever change takes place here in this, means quotation marks, this space, it totally depends on this part. So the change in pronoun also, it depends on this subject or object. If it is first person, we are going to change according to the subject. Riya said to me, I work here. Work, simple present tense. So Riya said, told me. While writing told, you are not supposed to add to. Okay, remove to. So Riya told me that. That change in pronoun, I changes according to the subject. Riya told me that she worked, second form of the verb, in place of here, use there. Riya told me that she worked here. This is in simple present tense. Simple changes to simple past. Now, whether the sentence is declarative, interrogative, it doesn't matter. The rule will be same. The rule that is related to tenses, it will be same. Now let's talk about continuous tense. Present continuous. Present continuous tense. Now, if the tense is in its continuous form, you need to maintain that form. So it means present continuous changes to past continuous. In this case is am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing changes to was, were, first form of the verb plus ing. That's all. The simple change is in place of is, am, are, we are going to use was, were. That's all. So Ram said, I am doing my work. So, Ram said that he was doing his work. So, from am to was. That's all. From am to was. This is the change. Nothing more. Okay, now we are going to have test. I'm going to write the questions. This side set A, set B this side. A, B, A, B, A and B. That's it. First voice. Don't waste your time. Definitely, you have to write the sentences. Stop. Voice. Interrogatives we have done now for voice. Still talking. This is narration from fifth sentence. गुरकरण बेंड हो जाओगे इसका मतलब ये नहीं पहले तो पता नहीं चलेगा. One more time and your test. Six sentences. Two each. Mask. All of you wear masks. Roll number one, two, three, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28, 29, 31, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. एंजल टेस्ट करने का कोई फायदा नहीं, डस्टबिन में जा रहा है. Tanushka, any? Hurry up. ठीक है 9:45 पे। क्या बात है प्रबल? मेरी वहां पे लगी थी। कौन सी है वहां पे? Yes. It's 9:05. And I'm not going to wait to collect the sheet. You know for what? So if you stop writing, still I don't mind. Avni. What? What is narration? This is narration. जहाँ पे inverted commas है, from there that is narration. बेटा Come I'm not going to check. पर मैं चुप नहीं रह पा रहा था और फिर बोलना पड़ रहा था बात आपका दस ऑलरेडी हो पा रहा है